What's up everyone, we're back in the van and today we're going to be working on the roof. We're starting with these side panels right here before we put on the top part. So I'm going to put some supports on the already existing wood beams and run some stringers to the top. I'm going to put some speakers right here on the side, same as the back and this side. So let's get after it. What's up y'all, I wanted to show some progress on the roof. I got this frame laid out with some R13 insulation with the waterproof barrier. I want to use it for the roof, but we'll see. It's gonna be hard to get it to stay vertical, you know. Here's the siding, how this extra storage space is gonna be. Got that over there. I use construction adhesive. So we're gonna put the walls up all the way to the back. And I've been working on this panel using plywood. This is where the speakers are gonna go. And that's the AC vent for the rear. Gonna be up here. I got some work done on the van. I'm gonna show you some progress. Here's the top. There's the inside walls. I'm gonna put more of these all the way down. Same. I'm gonna make this flat. And then I got this upper wall in. Got the blue, so over here same thing. Got these speakers installed. Still got these pieces in the back, but got the back cut out. Got the new speakers in. Here's the AC vent. All right, let's put it together. What's up y'all, I wanted to show you some progress on the upper walls and the new storage area. So I got some new 5-inch tweeter speakers, some new 6x9s in the back with the AC vent in the middle. And this is the other panel. And here's the storage area. There it is. Alright, there we go. So I got 5 more of these to go with these outlets from the auxiliary battery, and one will be in the back. So that's probably all I do for this video. So the next video I'll be framing and insulating the roof and putting the panels on and all the lighting, and I'll finish up the roof. All right.